Seniors, imagine starting your morning with a single cup of carrot juice and experiencing lasting changes in your body. Carrot juice has been a trusted source of nourishment for ages, yet many don't realize the full extent of its benefits when you get older. Its vibrant orange color isn't just for show. It signals a high level of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This nutrient supports your vision, boosts your immune system, and helps keep your skin healthy. Many seniors share that a morning cup of carrot juice leaves them feeling refreshed and full of energy. Let's explore how this simple drink may lead to lifelong benefits, the best way to prepare it, and some precautions to keep in mind. Carrot juice can have a positive effect on blood pressure, especially as the years accumulate. Carrots offer a mix of compounds that assist in relaxing blood vessels, easing the heart's workload. Rich in potassium, carrot juice helps counteract sodium's impact and supports a stable heart rhythm. Improved circulation reduces the strain on your heart and may help lower the risk of complications related to long-term high blood pressure, a common concern for seniors. However, if you already experience low blood pressure, monitor your intake carefully, as too much juice might push your numbers too far down. A noticeable benefit reported by many is a boost in natural energy and endurance. Seniors often remark that after including carrot juice in their morning routine, they feel more alert and capable of handling the day's demands. Carrots contain natural sugars, vitamins, and minerals that work together to supply steady energy without the jitters associated with caffeine. This gentle energy lift can be just what you need, whether you're managing daily tasks or preparing for a light workout. Even if physical exercise isn't your main focus, the nutritional boost from carrot juice can help sharpen your mind and sustain your daily activities. Your skin, too, can benefit from a regular dose of carrot juice. Over time, the skin tends to lose its natural glow and moisture, but the antioxidants in carrot juice, especially beta-carotene, contribute to repairing cells and maintaining healthy tissue. Many seniors notice improved skin texture, a reduction in minor blemishes, and an overall more vibrant appearance. A small amount of vitamin C in the juice supports collagen production, which means better skin elasticity and a softer appearance. Although drinking excessive amounts could give your skin a slight orange tint, keeping your consumption moderate should let your natural glow shine through. A strong heart is essential as you age, and carrot juice plays a supportive role here as well. Thanks to its antioxidants and the presence of essential minerals, it may help manage cholesterol levels and protect your cardiovascular system. With the continuous work your heart does every day, a balanced intake of antioxidants can ease the strain on your vessels and reduce oxidative stress. Improved circulation, better balance in cholesterol levels, and a stable heartbeat are all advantages that contribute to a healthier cardiovascular profile for seniors. Carrot juice also contributes to maintaining mental clarity. Good circulation supports brain function, which is crucial as cognitive abilities naturally tend to decline with age. While it's not a cure-all for memory issues, many seniors incorporate carrot juice into a broader routine of healthy eating, regular exercise, and mental exercises. This combination may help sharpen focus, promote better memory recall, and decrease the mental fog that sometimes appears with advancing years. In this way, a simple cup of carrot juice becomes part of a lifestyle that nourishes both body and mind. Another understated benefit of carrot juice is its role in supporting your body's detoxification processes. The antioxidants in carrots help the liver handle toxins more efficiently, a function that becomes increasingly important over time. As we get older, our bodies accumulate various environmental toxins. Carrot juice, with its blend of beta-carotene and vitamin C, can help maintain your liver's performance, ensuring that it continues to process and eliminate unwanted substances. For seniors who may have experienced decades of exposure to different pollutants, this support can be essential for keeping the overall system running smoothly. Inflammation is a quiet but persistent challenge that many face as they age. Chronic inflammation can contribute to discomfort in joints and may exacerbate health issues related to the heart and other organs. Carrot juice, with its natural antioxidants, can help ease inflammatory processes. While it won't eliminate inflammation overnight, regular consumption has been linked by some to more comfortable joints and a general sense of improved physical function. The calming effect on your body's natural inflammatory responses can help you maintain better mobility and reduce discomfort, allowing you to go about your day with fewer limitations. Weight management is another area where carrot juice might lend a hand. With lower calories compared to many other beverages and a gentle sweetness that can curb cravings for sugary snacks, it provides a nutritious alternative for those looking to keep their weight in check. While the juicing process does remove some fiber, which helps slow down sugar absorption, moderate consumption paired with other high-fiber foods can support your digestive system and help maintain a feeling of fullness. For seniors aiming to manage their weight without resorting to drastic dieting, integrating carrot juice into a balanced regimen can be a practical, enjoyable strategy. A robust immune system is crucial for anyone, especially as we age and our natural defenses may wane. Carrot juice is rich in a combination of vitamins and minerals that work together to strengthen the immune response. Vitamin A supports the maintenance of healthy mucous membranes, the body's first line of defense against pathogens, while vitamin C promotes the production and efficiency of white blood cells. This nutrient blend creates a supportive environment for your immune system, helping you ward off common infections and maintain overall health throughout the year. Digestive health can sometimes become a sensitive topic as we get older, but carrot juice offers a gentle way to support it. Even though juicing reduces the fiber content compared to whole carrots, a well-prepared carrot juice still contains enough residual fiber to promote healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Many seniors appreciate how it can help maintain a balanced digestive system, alleviate occasional constipation, and even assist in flushing out waste more efficiently. Combined with a diet that includes other fiber-rich foods and proper hydration, carrot juice can be a soothing addition that keeps your gut in good working order. There's also evidence suggesting that the antioxidants in carrot juice can play a role in protecting cells from damage. By neutralizing free radicals, those unstable molecules that over time contribute to cellular deterioration, regular intake of carrot juice may help slow down some aspects of the aging process. While research continues in this area, the overall idea is that a diet enriched with antioxidants supports a more resilient body that can better cope with everyday stressors. For seniors, this defense may translate into fewer instances of minor ailments and a generally more robust state of health. There is, of course, a need to mention a few considerations before making carrot juice a daily ritual. Though the benefits are many, drinking excessive amounts of carrot juice can sometimes lead to mild side effects. One common example is Carotenemia, a condition where the skin takes on a yellow-orange hue after prolonged high intake. This is harmless and reversible, but it serves as a reminder that moderation is key. Additionally, those managing diabetes or blood sugar concerns should be aware that even natural sugars in juices can affect their levels. People with sensitive stomachs might also experience mild discomfort if they drink too much at once. Finally, seniors with certain kidney issues should consult with a healthcare provider to ensure carrot juice fits well with their overall treatment plan. Preparing carrot juice properly maximizes its benefits and minimizes any possible downsides. The process is straightforward. Start with fresh, ideally organic, carrots to minimize pesticide exposure. Rinse the carrots thoroughly, and if you prefer, peel them to remove any lingering dirt or tough skin. Cut them into pieces small enough to fit into your juicer or blender. For a smoother texture, you might add a little water or even blend them with a splash of lemon for added brightness. Some people prefer to leave a bit of the pulp in for extra fiber, while others choose to strain it out for a more refined drink. Experimenting with small variations can help you find the perfect balance between taste and nutrition. In everyday life, many seniors enjoy pairing their carrot juice with a balanced breakfast, rich in whole grains, proteins, and other fruits or vegetables. This not only enhances the flavor, but also boosts the overall nutrient profile of the meal. Whether you add a touch of ginger for warmth, a bit of apple for natural sweetness, or even a leafy green for extra vitamins, the basic cup of carrot juice remains a strong foundation. It's a drink that can be tailored to fit your taste, needs, and lifestyle, seamlessly blending into your daily routine. For those who decide to introduce carrot juice into their mornings, a gradual approach might be the most successful. Start with a smaller serving, perhaps half a cup, and monitor how your body responds over the next few weeks. Notice any subtle changes in your energy levels, digestion, or even skin tone. If you feel good and experience positive benefits, you might slowly adjust the quantity until you find the perfect balance that supports your daily life without any unwanted surprises. Many seniors come to appreciate that the benefits of carrot juice are cumulative. While one cup might not seem like it would lead to dramatic changes, the small, steady daily dose can contribute significantly to long-term health. With improved circulation, better energy, and a slightly enhanced immune response, carrot juice becomes more than just a beverage. It turns into a part of your routine that supports an overall healthier lifestyle. The beauty of it lies in its simplicity, a natural, readily available source of nutrients that work quietly day by day to help you maintain your vitality. So, this humble drink is about more than just nutrition. It's about embracing an approach to healthy aging that recognizes the cumulative power of small, mindful changes. Carrot juice offers an accessible and enjoyable way to support your heart, brain, skin, and digestive system, all of which are essential components to maintaining your quality of life as you grow older. By incorporating it into your daily routine with care and consistency, you allow yourself a gentle nudge toward improved health that can have lasting effects. There is no need for complicated routines or expensive supplements. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. For seniors seeking to maximize their health without overhauling their entire lifestyle, a daily cup of carrot juice is a practical option. Along with balanced meals, regular physical activity, and proper rest, this bright, nutritious drink can be a quiet ally in your journey towards sustained well-being. Its benefits are not instantaneous miracles, but rather the slow, steady reinforcement of your body's natural capabilities, nurturing the systems that keep you thriving. As you consider this natural addition to your diet, remember that a healthy lifestyle is a mosaic of small, thoughtful choices. Carrot juice is one among many that work together to promote resilience, energy, and overall quality of life. For seniors who have witnessed changes over the years, even this modest alteration in daily routine can be a reminder that care for your body is a lifelong commitment. One cup in the morning may be all it takes to set you on a path of improved vitality and well-being.